What it is? This is a function. It has two variable. Length as a double, optional, width as variant. That means if you are not given width means length only it will calculate two times. Understood? That means it will become a square. Then if the width is missing means find area is equal to length into length. That is a square. So find area is equal to length into length. Else, else find area is equal to length into width. So you have to call this function means first what you will do, create a sub down. Yeah, down, create one sub. Sub procedure you create. Create sub, create one sub, that's it. Write call CALL. What is that function name? Yeah, write that one. Copy and paste here after giving space. Only function name. Only function name. Yeah, I'm telling only function name. Then put parenthesis. How many argument you have to pass? That you pass. Width is optional. If you gave one, only one means it will automatically consider as a square. Give any number and close the bracket and run it. Run. Keep one breakpoint in the call find area. F8. F8 you do. Okay. It is printing, but you are not understanding now. So give one message box. In the function, give one message box. Instead of call, write this message box. That's it. The previous line, call you delete and write only message box. CALL you are written that line that you delete off. There you write message box. It's coming 4 into 4 is 16, right?
Yes.
This is how you will call a function.
Yeah.
Function means bracket how many variables you have
Yes.
that you have to pass. If you have any return type means outside you have to write. Find area as a
Yes.
integer, as a double you have to write it. This one you can use in Excel also. Excel sheet you go. Excel sheet you go.
Hmm.
Any function, how will you write like that? You write equal to,
Hmm.
select
Yeah.
any column, write equal. Then you give argument and close the bracket and do enter.
Five.
Got the answer? Zero. Find area, what number you are given? If you give some parameter, after that you have to close that parenthesis. This is common thing, right? 5 comma 5 you give. How come it is?
Zero.
Okay, same function, find area. Function calling a function. Call the function in functional name with equal to find area C6 and this one. Okay, again go to your program and it
Okay.
clear. Okay, save it correctly. Save it.
Hmm.
Okay, stop execution of this program first. That's what it is
Calculation
not
is
working.
stop.
Stop executing. Then you go to Excel and do. When it is in run mode, here it will not work. Uh, that is a problem. When you are running something, how does it work?
Okay.
First, understand how many parameter. If I said how many times I said if you give one means it will automatically take as a breadth as that also. So it will consider it as a square. So second variable we have written as a optional. If you want to give both means you can give 5 comma 5. This is fourth class I am explaining function and sub.
Okay.
Okay, create some more one more function.